Very good morning, everyone. Today's experiment is measurement of three-phase power by 2 wattmeter method with star and delta connected loads. Okay, so here are the apparatus. That is, you require a three-phase auto transformer, voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter, and wattmeter of 5 amperes and 600 volts UPF, and loading rheostat, which is of 5.75 kilowatts and 415 volts. Okay, so here you can see the circuit connections you can see here. Okay, so here you can see voltmeter ranging of 0 to 600, and an ammeter you can see 0 to 5 amperes, and a wattmeter. This is one wattmeter. Okay, this is another wattmeter. Okay, right. Next we should first look at the circuit diagram. Here you can see you have three-phase supply given here. Okay, R Y B. Okay, three coils. Actually, for a three-phase supply, okay, so three-phase supply, you have three phases available here. Okay, so R, Y, and B are available. So here it is. This one is our auto transformer. You can say this one. This is an auto transformer. Here it is. Okay, this is an auto transformer. Okay, from auto transformer, R is connected to voltmeter and ammeter. From ammeter other end, it is connected to wattmeter M and C short, and L is connected to R. Okay, and Y is connected to voltmeter other terminal, and the same Y connection is connected to Y of the load. B is connected to M. Okay, M and C short, and V are connected, and L is connected to B of the load. The same connections which are there with the star connection, you have the same with the delta connections. Okay, that is R by B. Okay, so the same R is connected with the same voltmeter and ammeter. The other terminal connected to M of wattmeter, MC short, and L is connected to R. Okay, and here B, from B to M, MC short, V and V are connected. Okay, L is connected to B. Okay, right. So from Y, the same Y is connected in between Y and B. Okay, so here you can see the circuit setup. Okay, so from three phase. Okay, R by B, the first one is R. Okay, here you can see the first one is R, Y, and B. Okay, so from here you'll have the connections connected to voltmeter, ammeter, and wattmeter. Okay, here you can see this is voltage. See, it is connected to 600 volts here. Okay, you have three types of ranging: 600, 300, and 150. When you are using the same wattmeter for single phase, you can use it for 150 connections. Okay, so below this wattmeter you have multiplication factor. Okay, so mostly in our experiment we'll use for 10 amperes. Okay, mostly in our experiment we use it for, so 10 amperes and 600 volts. So it will be, the multiplication value will be 4. That is, whatever value you take it, okay, you multiply it with 4. Okay, so here, by varying this auto transformer, so let us look at the procedure now. Let us look at the procedure. You can see here you have auto transformer it. Okay, so just vary this auto transformer. Okay, that when you vary the auto transformer, you need to get the connections. Okay, so when you vary the auto transformer here, okay, the variation can be noted in voltmeter. Okay, the current has to be noted. Okay, so initially when you apply 415 volts, that by varying auto transformer, you can see that in voltmeter. Okay, so when you turn on this load, okay, initially when there is no load here, load connected, okay, initially the switch has to be connected to this one. The switch has to be connected to zero position. Okay, when it is zero position, there is no deflection in ammeter, wattmeter, you can see, okay, there is no deflection. The moment you turn on the load, okay, either to star, okay, consider you have to switch it on to star connection, okay, you need to turn on one load at a time, okay, one load at a time, and then note down the ammeter, wattmeter 1, wattmeter 2 readings, okay. So this is how you need to do. You need to disconnect it after completion of your experiment, okay. Those two switches you need to connect, okay. One, you have to take one reading, here you have taken the readings, okay, and other you need to take the other. So now after completion of star, switch on this quarter to delta, okay, turn on the switches as you have done with the star. In the same way you need to do, okay. So later you need to complete the calculations in this way, okay, using this, use this formula, phi equals to tan phi, okay, root over 3 root 3 p2 minus p1, okay. Thank you.